Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today my daughter would like to build a hermit crab terrarium out of some old leftover pieces and parts. We have one store-bought terrarium which my daughter has decorated already. We also have a sterilite bin that we're going to use to make this a little bit larger. So directions for the hermit crabs says that you want approximately 1 inch to 1.5 inches of sand inside the terrarium. So now we'll mark that on the outside 1.5 inches. Going to use this a 2-inch hole saw, so we will measure 2 1/8 inches above that mark, so the little guy will have a little bit of room to climb up and move from one side of the terrarium to the other side of the terrarium. Here is the mark where the sand will go. We want to leave a little bit of an edge, 1/4 inch above that mark, which will be 1 3/4. So we'll make a mark at 2 3/4 to drill with a 2-inch hole saw. So we want to set up this terrarium so that the back of this store-bought terrarium is also in line with the back of this sterilite container. So they're not the same width. So we put it up against the back of my bench here, and we're just going to make a mark on where we're going to cut this hole in the sterilite container. So about there is in the middle, and we'll measure it just to make sure. Now we're going to cut into the sterilite container. This will be a little bit easier. This sterilite is not quite as thick as the store-bought one. Got to get my drill going the right way. I'm going to try from the inside. I need a little bit of backing, so I'm just going to drill it down like this into a block of wood.
Stick in there.
So we'll go ahead and cut this off. Next, we're going to sand down the opening. It's a little rough. Next, we're going to use a regular plastic bottle and create the tube between the two terrariums. Say that 2 times fast. A tube between the two terrariums. Next, we're going to cut right down the center of this plastic water bottle because the diameter is too large for the holes. Next, we'll tape the tube together. Next, we'll insert the tube.
Maybe. There we go.
And here's the finished product, complete with sand, water, hermit crabs, and food. Thanks for watching.